Next time, I want to show you her storage system.
Yeah, this one I'm very excited. So you pull it out first.
Okay, then after that, right, you can
shift.
pull and then another shelf here. Wow.
So you see, I don't need to squat down and then like, you know, try to figure my way.
Huh?
And find sauces or what's not. I can see them very clearly from here.
So this is stainless steel. It will not rust, and then it comes in modular shape, so you can do in whatever weird shapes or...
Depends on what you need. Yeah, because this is what I need, and I want it to be like spacious so that I can put all my stuff.
So this is the hardware from Excel Hardware. Be sure to check out our promo deck, our description box, right? We have the actual website. Go there and purchase your hardware. And of course, all the cabinets are powered with Excel Hardware soft closing hinges. And everything comes with lifetime warranty.
Shop now at excelhw.com.sg, a Singapore brand.